Sorry.
It's small. No, put it right there.
Oh, this one's the perfect spot. Hi guys.
What?
Hi guys, welcome to whatever. Here, welcome to a tip of getting out the elevator using the dumb juice.
No, the game is called.
So all you need is to sit and keep on walking to the door. I know you can't move there, but and then drink it, and then your legs are in the elevator, right? And you drink it again, and then again. Do it again and over. That's how you do it.
Really? I just do.
Okay, right on. Guys. I can't believe we're over there.
It's over there.
The creator is right there.
No. Just die so you can be back in the back. Oh no.
Do it.
You like trains.
I like trains.
Whoa. I just do that. With Is that a heart?
Yes.
What? Why? Why is there a heart on my face?
Let's play.
Pokemon!
What? Go to Miku.
It's stuck, you know that.
Ow. I gave up doing it. It's glitched through the walls right here.
No, don't glitch through the walls.
Why am I keep on spinning?
Yeah. This was sad. And now you guys cannot actually see it. Oh my gosh, what happened to my hair?
Isn't this working?
No, just leave a knife. Well, how about you say something else? Let's just play something else.
Let's do it again. Oof.
That's a perfect.
This one's perfect.
But actually, people, it's recording and it won't work. Don't do anything. No.
Why say no?
I don't like chat back there and being stupid for being. Again?
If you are hearing us right now, it seems that the elevator has moved. Please remain calm and stay away from that wall. The elevator will be back in service shortly.
Look behind me.
So I think that's it for today, or we just play.
No, it's not it.
Hey, well, look over here. Look over here, Sammy. Do you know how to make an account?
Why do you have to look on this side, but not on the computer?
So I think we're gonna play, and we showed you the tip. We showed you the tip of how you get out of elevator. Now we're gonna play.
What is that kind of sound? If you do no sound, then you can't hear the person's whatever it was. Or like it.
Boop. 12 up. Yay, I didn't get. Finally did. Who's drunk?
You can't say drunk. You can't say drunk.
Oh my gosh, I can see the outside.
Wait, let me do it.
Okay. Hold on. Why are you tell? Okay. Guys, I think that's it for today. So, bye.